Hey guys, so the last step of this first part of the experiment is to overflow this. The goal is, so I have to go close to the sink and close it. So you guys you're gonna see this is gonna overflow and you're gonna do like this in the sink. A few drops are gonna fall off, there's no problem. The goal here is, we don't have any space for air. The whole bottle is fulfilled with only the liquid we put it on. This way we don't have communication between liquid and air. When I just have this sealed with the dissolved oxygen here, not escaping, not coming from the air, then all the dissolved oxygen is going to be lost. Is the dissolved oxygen consumed by the microorganisms? This way we can account and do our calculations more precise. And the last step is, remember, it's called BOD 5, so it's 5 days. The microorganisms take about 5 days to degrade the organic matter. It could take longer, as I explained in the lecture, but the standard procedure is 5 days, and that's the standard that everyone uses for BOD. And we're going to put this in the dark, so we'll put underneath our bench. The goal is it needs to be away from the light. It needs to be in a temperature about 20 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of this room, but also it needs to be in the dark. The reason is we don't want an algae growing here. So algae can produce oxygen, and if there is any source of light and there is nutrients, they might grow. So this has to be kept in the dark during 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius. And then after 5 days, we're going to read the dissolved oxygen again. That's the only thing you're going to do after 5 days. That's the second part of the procedure. We're going to measure the dissolved oxygen the exact same way I just measured there. And we're going to count what they call the dissolved oxygen final. So you have your dissolved oxygen initial and dissolved oxygen final, and you know how much that microorganism consume oxygen, and we do our calculation of BOD 5.